Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, you to see how to solve word problem. Okay, so this is one of the problem from your textbook, from your exercise 2.1. So what is the question given to you all? What it says, a rectangle sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 into 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Okay, so what is told to you all, you need to find its parameter. Okay, so first let us understand, whenever a question is given to you all, never jump directly to solve the problem. Okay, first try to understand what is given to you all. Okay, so what is given to you all, what it says, there is a rectangular sheet. Okay, so there is a rectangle sheet of paper. Okay, this is a rectangle sheet of paper which is 12.5 centimeter long. Long means what? Obviously it is going to be my length. Okay, so it says the length is 12.5 centimeter and it is 10 into 2 upon 3 centimeter wide. Okay, so what is the question asked? I need to find the parameter. Okay, so in order to find the parameter, what is the formula? To find the parameter, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So what you're going to do, you're directly going to apply the formula. Okay, just mention in your solution what is the length. Okay, so the length is 12.5 centimeter and your breadth is 10 into 2 upon 3 centimeter, and I need to find the parameter. Okay, so in order to find the parameter, what you're going to do, you're going to apply the formula, which is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2, what is my length? My length is 12.5 plus will come as it is, and what is there in my breadth? It is 10 into 2 upon 3. Okay, so what you're going to do, first step, whatever is there inside your bracket, that you try to simplify. Okay, so now here you are given the addition of two mixed fractions, right? You're going to convert this fraction into a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Okay, so for that, what you're going to do, whatever is there over here, you're going to multiply, and whatever answer you're going to get, that you're going to add with your numerator. Similarly, whatever is there in your denominator and over here you're going to multiply, and the answer you're going to add it with the numerator. Okay, so let us solve it. So this 2 will remain as it is. Okay, so 12 2s is how much? 12 2s are 24. It is 24. So 24 plus 1 is 25. Whatever is there in your denominator, you are going to copy as it is. This plus will come as it is. Then again 3 10s are 30. Okay, so 30 plus 2 is 32 upon whatever is there in denominator will come as it is. Okay, so again first try to simplify your whatever is there in your bracket. Okay, so that we'll see, and then we'll multiply with 2. So 2 again will come as it is. Okay, so again what you're going to do, either you go for cross multiplication or you go for your LCM. Okay, so I'll go for cross multiplication. So again it is 25 multiplied by 3. Okay, plus will come as it is. Similarly 32 into 2. Okay, whatever is in your denominator, that you are going to multiply 2 into 3. Okay, so now let us see what we are getting. So 25 into 3 is how much? 25 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 75 plus again it is 32 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So it is 64 upon 3 2s are 6. Again simplify. Okay, don't keep it as it is. You have to simplify, and whatever you are getting, then you are going to multiply with the 2. So again what am I getting over here? It is 2 into 75 plus 64, right? It is 75 plus 64. So it is 9. So it is 13. So it is 139 upon 6. Okay, so now what you're going to do, now you're going to multiply, or just if it is coming in one table, your bracket means what it is, multiplication. Okay, so what I can do, I can it's multiplication, right? So I can cancel, like 2 and 6 comes in one table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so 139 and 3 comes in one table, it does not come, right? So my answer will be 139 upon 3. Okay, now let's check what is the unit which is given to it is centimeter. So it will come centimeter. Okay, so this is nothing but the parameter of the rectangle sheet. Okay, so this is how you need to solve the problem. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Yeah, thank you.